Squad.
And today, we're going to be talking about mammals.
Later on, we're going to have special guest Chase in an interview about the common house cat.
But first, let's talk about the characteristics. Mammals are vertebrates who have lungs to breathe, and they also have an aortic arc leading from their heart. Also, they are endothermic, and they produce milk to feed their young. Mammals also have a diaphragm and a neocortex in their brain, 3 bones in each ear, and they have a single bone on each side of their jaw.
There are 5,416 species of mammals. This includes cats, dogs, and even humans. The first mammals were very small and shrew-like, like me. They first evolved around the same time as the dinosaurs. Mammals evolved from a group of reptiles called the synapsids. Synapsids were different than other major animals of the time because they had extra openings in the skull behind the eyes, which gave them stronger jaws. From the synapsids emerged a group called the therapsids. Therapsids were only about 3 feet long and due to their size would need insulation, like fur. From the therapsids emerged the cynodonts. They had more specified teeth, making it better for mastication. After the cynodonts emerged 3 types of mammals: monotremes, marsupials, and placentals. Monotremes are mammals who lay eggs, like a platypus. Marsupials are mammals who birth their young very early and then transport them to a small pouch where they receive milk from specialized glands. Some well-known marsupials include kangaroos and wallabies. Last but not least, the placentals. The placentals keep their young until they are fully grown inside the uterus. Then they are birthed. Humans are examples of placental.
Though there is a lot of information surrounding the evolution of mammals, it is hard to know for sure because hair and milk-producing glands do not fossilize.
Mammals can live in all sorts of habitats such as the skies, the oceans, and domesticated areas. They can live in countries all over the world because since they are endothermic, it means that they are warm-blooded, so their body adjusts to whatever temperature they live in.
The hooded seal goes from infancy to childhood to adolescence to adulthood in just 4 days, the shortest period of transition from child to adult in any span in any mammal on Earth. Koala bears eat a lot of eucalyptus, which is used to make cough drops. In turn, the smell of eucalyptus or the smell of cough drops on the koala bears keeps the fleas away.
Are you bored?
What? Who is that?
Are you bored?
I guess so.
Well, look no further.
What?
Now introducing dogs.
Wow!
Dogs are mammals who make great house pets, companions, and friends for life. You can play with them, have them treat you as a chew toy, hug them, and talk about mammal problems.
Don't you hate it when people think all animals are mammals?
And now, with this special offer, you can get 2 dogs for the price of 1. For only 60 payments of $3.50, both dogs can be yours.
Wow! Thank you, stranger from above.
So order fast or you'll miss this amazing deal.
An organism that we chose to talk about today is the common household cat. Cats can be found all over the world on all continents except Antarctica. As mentioned earlier, this is due to their endothermic bodies, which allow cats to be extremely adaptable and able to live in many environments. Cat mating begins with the female cat, which are also called queens. The queen will initiate the mating. Female cats go through 4 hormonal cycles which dictate cat mating. Stage 1, also known as proestrus, begins with a female cat attempting to start flirting with the males. She will flirt with the males, but eventually she will refuse any sexual advances that they make. Stage 2, also known as estrus, is what most know as a cat being in heat. Signs are similar to proestrus but are more intense. Stage 3, or interestrus, lasts 7 to 14 days. If a female has not engaged in sexual activity by this time period, the cycles will start over. The final stage is the 4th stage and also known as anestrus. This period lasts from November to January and is thought to be induced by shorter periods of light. Females will not want to mate during this period, and this will last for at least 90 days.
For cats, the niche in their environment is to eat smaller and weaker animals, such as fish, mice, and birds. For example, another more prominent example of how cats are important to the environment is during the Black Death. Many people thought that cats were satanic due to their contributions in many satanic rituals. However, cats were very important in the elimination of rats that carried fleas that carried the trait and enzyme for the bubonic plague. Without cats, rats multiplied, and when the rats multiplied, so did the death toll. Without cats, the environment worsened, and that is how their niche corresponds with their existence. According to Hebrew legend, Noah prayed to God to ask for a way to save the food on the ark from being eaten by rats. In response, God made a lion sneeze, and out popped a cat. Achoo! Oh! Thank you, Jesus. Every year, nearly 4 million cats are eaten in Asia.
Well, that concludes this episode of Quad the Science Squad. See you next time. Bye!
Very small. 116 species.
Maybe you should sit still.
I'm just so tired that my eyes are burning and they're gonna fall out sometime soon.
I think he got possessed by a cat demon.
It's recording, so whenever you're ready.
And live in... Stacy, you need to turn it!
Me ominously in the
No. No, Haley, I'm a star.
Wait, no.
That didn't work the way you wanted it to.
You don't understand, if I didn't love that hat with...
Why do we need this again? There goes my hero.
He's ordinary.
Is this what a lizard feels like?
This is for biology, Ivy!
I'm going to die before we turn in this project.
That's it.